Hi, hello friends. Today we are going to discuss about the quadratic equation for 10th class students. Quadratic equation, the nature of the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal 0. So this is a quadratic equation. For solving this quadratic equation, you should solve in two ways: splitting of midterms or splitting of midterm, or you should write the formula x is equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So we should use these two types. One is splitting of midterm and the second one is you should use the formula. So this is called the discriminant. This is called discriminant. So we should find the nature of the roots. We should apply discriminant. So d is equals b square minus 4ac ni discriminate under. So this is a discriminant which we are having three types. Suppose this is greater than 0, the quadratic equation has real roots, which is having real roots. So this is the first one. Suppose which is less than 0. Less than 0 mean no real roots. That is which is having complex roots undai. Complex roots, no real roots. Which is equal to 0, the d square minus 4ac is equals d is equals b square minus 4ac equal 0, which is having equal roots. The quadratic equation has equal roots. In this discrimination, every year one question is coming in board examinations. So he is asking the nature of the roots, or one quadratic equation has real roots or equal roots, to find the some k value. Such type of questions are giving in the board examination. So this is the nature of the quadratic equation. Discriminate b square is greater than 0, b square minus 4 is greater than 0, real roots, less than 0, no real roots, that means which is having complex roots, is equal 0, that is the equal roots. Suppose you should take this is 2x square, one example. I am taking one example. 2x square plus 5x plus 6, x square plus 5x plus 6 is equals 0. You should find the discriminant. Here a is equals 1, b is equals 5, c is equals 6. You should find that d is equals b square minus 4ac, 25 minus 4 into 6, which is equals 1 greater than 0. This is having two real roots. Now you should find that real roots. So splitting of midterm 5x. So x square coefficient 1 and constant. So 1 into 6 is equal 6. Now you should find the prime factors. 2 into 3. You should write x square plus, you should write 5x, 2x plus 3x. If you can add, we are getting 5x. If you can multiply, we are getting 6. 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3, 5, 2 into 3, 6. We are getting this type. Now we should take x common, x plus 2. Here we should take 2 common, x plus 2, which is equals 0. So whenever these two are equal, you should take x outside, x plus 2 outside, this x plus 3, this is the 3. So x plus 3 is equals 0. So x plus 2 is equal 0 means x equals minus 2, x plus 3 is equals 0 is equals x equals. So these are the two distinct real roots. Real and distinct here which are coming. Real and distinct. Okay. Here equal roots. So this type of questions has giving in the board examination. This is the nature of the quadratic equation. Thank you.